And the rough cheerleader draws for your lead. Golden Pyramid. Doña Venancia is running by the rail third, followed by Daman Surya. On a rush comes next Terrible Marvin. No Boundary is running in between runners, followed by Ice Palace. El Bimbo running second last is 5A Worth the Wait, and the couple then 3 Reward for Effort is running at the tail of the field as they rounded the last 450. Golden Pyramid, this time by about 2 lengths. Cheerleader Doña Venancia moving a party outside, and comes Daman Surya, and down the stretch they come. Golden Pyramid by about 2 lengths, followed by Cheerleader. Doña Venancia remains in third. Daman Surya on a rush with 100 to go. Golden Pyramid followed by Cheerleader, and finally Golden Pyramid, Cheerleader, Doña Venancia, then comes Daman Surya, and on a rush for your Pentafecta.